You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah.
So today I'm going to be honestly focusing on remoisturizing my hair. My hair is super dry. I don't know if the video's out yet, but I did have protein overload. So if that's out, I'll leave it in the cards above. But we're going to be focusing on a very super moisturizing wash day. The whole thing, start to finish, nothing but moisture. So this is what we're working with today. Ooh, Lord. Okay. Yep, it's definitely dry. Can't really, nope, I can't get my fingers through it. Ooh, okay. Show you the back. All right, so for my wash days, they tend to be very elaborate with a lot of different steps, but they're for a reason. I try to do this when I need as much moisture as possible, so I always, no matter what, start off with a Prepoo. I do have a Prepoo video. I will leave it above if you're interested in seeing that. 4 different ways to Prepoo, in my opinion, and what products I recommend. Now, the one that I'm using today is the Curls and Potions Blends Rice Water and ICI Pre-Cleanse Primer. Y'all know, if you're familiar with my channel, how much I love this stuff. You can also use this as a leave-in conditioner as well. But I like using this because it allows me to have fermented rice water in my hair routine, regardless of the other steps I'm gonna be doing. But it smells good, helps me detangle, gives me moisture, and is a breeze to wash out. So I'm not parting my hair down the middle anymore. So I'm gonna be doing it to the side like this, kind of like ear to ear. Prepoos are on dry hair. I don't wet my hair because that doesn't make sense to me. This Prepoo honestly gives me a lot of moisture regardless, so I'm just gonna apply it to my hair. So instantly I can start finger detangling, getting rid of all the shed hair. This feels really good. You can already see a difference in my curls, honestly. Like, look at it. Okay, time to hop into the shower, and you can kind of see how that primer made my hair look. It's nice and juicy, rejuvenated. I love that product because you can also use it as a leave-in conditioner. And you know, you gotta test your water. Make sure it's nice and warm, or if you color treated, cool water. I just don't use that. So I'm gonna make sure that my hair is thoroughly saturated, low porosity problems. I really sit there for a good 1 to 2 minutes to make sure that my hair is completely wet, and you kind of see my hair being nice and juicy. So I'm gonna be using the Nature's Little Secret Nourishing Shampoo. This is a very moisturizing, lovely, lightweight shampoo, and I really love it. I'm gonna focus this shampoo only on my scalp. I do not put this on the length of my hair because you will see what I use after that. But I'm sitting here realizing that I forgot my little vibrating shampoo brush. I'll leave it down below from Vanity Planet. So I have to do the old school way of using my fingertips. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash that out. Again, I don't disturb my curls during this step at all. And now I'm gonna grab my Chocolate Kinks and Curls Cocoa Cream Clay Wash. This is one of my favorites from them. I have like 5 of them. And this is what I use on the length of my hair to further wash my hair. So I know some people say, why are you using 2 different cleansers? It just works for me to have one type of product, like a shampoo, to be applied to my scalp, and then a clay wash for the length of my hair. So I'm showing you that I'm actually detangling my hair with this clay wash because it has amazing slip. I use my fingers as a raking motion, as well as my thumb here to kind of push through my hair and get rid of all the tangles. This also really helps with my curl definition. I get this question a lot as to how I get my hair curly upon just washing my hair, and this is why. Clay washing for me really clumps my curls. I get in there, all up in there and around there, making sure my hair is really clean. So that is what I do. And look at my hair. It already looks better, doesn't it? Now I'm going to apply my Nature's Little Secret Mixed Fruit Nutrient Rich Deep Conditioner. If you saw my shorts here on YouTube, on my TikTok, or my reel on Instagram, you saw that I featured like my favorite and least favorite, I should say, moisturizing deep conditioners. And this was, I think, number 3 or 2. I don't remember. You can check it out. But this has so many moisturizing ingredients in here. Tons of oils and fruits, and it smells amazing. So I don't apply my deep conditioners in the shower anymore, just because, one, I am an adult and I pay for water now. And I just like to really make sure that it's applied on every strand outside the shower. That's just how I prefer to do it. If you haven't tried this deep conditioner, I highly recommend you try it. Lightly finger detangle. At this point, it's even easier to do after, you know, those steps prior. So I like to apply the deep conditioner all over my section. Finger detangle. Don't forget your kitchen. So as I said, apply that thing like a relaxer. And I go in with my comb. See? Just like butter at this point. Then I go in with my Tangle Teaser. I think this is the 3C4A one, because they have different ones for different hair textures. I'll leave it down below. So as you can see, super easy. Okay, the deep conditioner is all over my hair. I swear, when I'm deep conditioning, I feel the most bald because I literally put it on every strand, and it makes me feel like I have no hair because my hair just shrinks up. But you know that's a good thing, because the moisture, the hair is just taking off all the moisture. That sounds disgusting. Anyways, so something that I've been adding to my routine that I actually really like is using a conditioning scalp mask, and this one's from Curls and Potions. It looks like this. I think I got this back in January when she had a sale. Y'all, if you don't follow Curls and Potions, their newsletter, their text alerts, they have sales on the low, okay? I'm not gonna say it again, that's what they do. So, what this does, since this is new to my channel, I will just tell you what it does. It's a scalp mask. It's a conditioner that soothes the scalp, helping to stimulate growth, reduce hair loss, and improve blood circulation to the scalp. This is excellent for dry scalp or dandruff. I don't have dandruff. I do have a little bit of a dry scalp, but I am just using it for the blood flow and properties and all that good stuff. So first 5 ingredients is aloe vera juice, distilled water, red reishi mushroom, shiitake, chia seed extract, marshmallow loop. You know Curls and Potions got some bomb ingredients, so I don't have to say much more than that. But let me just show y'all how it looks. So when it comes out, it's literally what it says. It looks like a, come on now, don't embarrass me. It looks like a conditioner. And you kind of rub it in and you feel all the goodness. So I don't know about y'all, and this might stem from my relaxer days, but the crown of my hair is the most sensitive. Maybe I got burned a little bit too much from perm, I don't know. But since I have been using this is about my 4th time using this, and I'm targeting that area right in the middle, my scalp isn't sensitive anymore. It feels so good. Of course, I'm targeting my little edges, because all them 50 million edge control videos y'all had me do, edges are sad. But I just target that, and you're like, okay, why can't I just put my regular deep conditioner on my scalp? You can, but if it's not marketed to do that, I'm not doing it. You know what I mean? So I really like this one a lot. You can use this in 2 different ways. You can put this prior to shampooing, but I don't see the point of that, because then we're just gonna shampoo it out. Like, no, and it'll be on dirty scalp as opposed to a fresh scalp where this can penetrate and get into the scalp, you know? So you can use it prior and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse and then shampoo and deep condition as usual. Or you could do it the way I'm doing it, which is to apply after shampooing when you have deep conditioner in your hair. And you let it sit for as long as you deep condition. What I'm gonna do is steam. I've been loving steaming as well. That has been contributing a lot to my moisturizing wash days. My hair steamer is by Afro Steam Caps. And I like this because it doesn't take up much space. I already have a hair dryer now. I'm so happy. And that always takes up enough space, so I don't need another bulky item. This can go right underneath the cabinet. Looks like this. It has a high and a low and does what I need it to do. Another good thing about this is that once it reaches a good temperature, it kind of decreases on its own, which is amazing. So I use the cap that it comes with just because it makes the most sense to me. All right, so steam for 20 minutes. Let's see what it looks like. I feel bald. I have made a bob officially. This is literally what happens when I steam my hair. It just shrinks so much, but it's moisture. Look at that. My hair is still recovering from the protein overload. I don't know about y'all, but I do not go back into the shower to wash out my deep conditioner. I do that joint right in the sink. So now I'm gonna quickly apply my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Curl Theory Leave-In Miracle Worker. I've mentioned this a lot on my channel before. So I'm about to put this on my hair real quick and put on a plastic cap. Sometimes I steam my hair again for a few minutes, or sometimes I just put the plastic cap on and call it a day. It's the equivalent of applying your leave-in conditioner in the shower and letting the steam, you know, kind of further penetrate your hair. But because I washed out my hair outside of the shower, I kind of like doing it like that. So that's basically it. That consists of my moisturizing wash day from start to finish. As you can see, my hair is a lot more shinier, bouncy, able to detangle. Hold on, let's trap this moisture real fast. You gotta do it real quick. So this wraps up my moisturizing wash day routine. If you wanna know what style I'm about to finna do, then, did I just say finna? Whoa. If you wanna see what hairstyle I'm about to do, then hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you're notified of when that it drops for sure. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. That's the only way that I will know. And it definitely helps my channel a lot more than you think. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.